Hey you guys, I'm out here. Literally just cleaned it this back. My piece is acting up. So about to be out here doing some more. I got somebody waiting on me. About to come look at some more of this house. So just about to jump in on this again. So, real quick, I'm only working with, and I'm so mad because this is really acting crazy. It's like it wants me to stop, but I can't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. So it's messing with, I only got one piece because I can't get the top part off. It was put on too tight, and I'm not home. I had to bring it to this house, and as a result, oh God, look, it's all falling apart. The nail must have came out. I don't know what happened. But I do know that I'm gonna finish this job before it's all said and done. So I'm gonna finish cutting this stuff out, and I'm gonna be done. But I just wanted to show y'all, gotta work hard, especially when you ain't got it all like that. So right now, one day I'll look back and be like, I remember when I was doing this. Or I might want to decide to do it later. But right now, I gotta get it done.